Which ETF are good for active traders whenever the market is moving up or moving down? That is what we'll look at it. Some of the ETFs which are very good for trading when the market is moving up or down, especially if it is a broad based, is SQQ if the market is going down, TQQ if the market is going up. If the market is making a move to the downside, the best ETF to trade is UVXI. UVXI, whenever the market goes down, can make a big move of 40, 30% in just a couple of days. So UVXI is something which I bought yesterday because there was a broad-based selling in the market. Similarly, SQQ is something which you can buy if there is a broad-based selling TQQ. Besides this, there is another ETF which is good, Soxal. Soxal also makes big move. So you can use these ETFs like Soxal, TQQ, UVXI as a swing trading mechanism also. Here there is a range expansion and for 4 or 5 days it makes 18% move. Here there is a breakout and from the breakout it makes 35% move. Similarly, TQQ, whenever the market moves, your best option is to trade TQQ. When this particular move happened in the market during this particular period, when SPY made a move from this period to this period of 12%, you can see which was the ETF or which was the thing which was very good to trade during that time period or which was the best thing. If when the SPY made a move, like TQQ made a 50% move. Right, SPY made that move. TQQ made around 49% move. Soxal would made a big move during that time period of 66%. So if you want to make big money in the market, couple of ETFs keep on your watch list and watch them daily. And whenever there is a good setup, use them. TQQ, Soxal, UVXI, SQQ. And if you want to do something on SPY, you can use SPY. If you want to do S&P, you can use DIA, which is an ETF for Dow Jones. So those are the ETFs which can turbocharge your returns for an active trader.